Panic attacks or performance anxiety often happen out of sudden, and it feels like it controls the person's life with little to do. Today, I'll talk to you about how to use the 5 sensations to reduce anxiety. Hi and welcome to Clarity with Jadivan. Thank you so much for watching us today. Please like, share, and subscribe. When panic attacks happen, it basically controls the brain and body functions. In order for the person to reduce the impact of panic attacks and anxiety, you would want to control or disengage the brain from the anxiety. One way to do that is using the 5 sensations: the sight, the touch, the hearing, the smell, and the taste. First, I'll talk to you about the tool, and then I'll talk to you about how to individualize this tool to make it more effective to reduce your anxiety. The tool is basically 5 steps, and you kind of counting down from 5 to 1. Step number 1 is using the sight sensation. Name 5 things around you that you could see in this room. Step number 2, sensation. Name 4 things that you could touch around you. Step number 3 is hearing. Name 3 things that you could hear in this room at this moment. Step number 4, smell. Name 2 things you could smell. Step number 5 is taste. Name 1 thing you could taste at this time, at this moment. By this time, you probably noticed that it's basically counting from 5 to 1. 5 things you could see, 4 things you could touch, 3 things you could hear, 2 things you could smell, 1 thing you could taste. I want to help you today in personalizing this tool and make it more effective for you to use. I encourage you to follow these tips. Practice. Practice this tool on a daily basis. This would help your brain remembering to use this tool when you really need it. When practicing this tool, try to give for each item few seconds before you jump to the next item. For example, if you're looking around for 5 things that you could see, look at each item for 5 to 10 seconds. Do not rush it. Let your brain process. Put reminders around the house to guide you in practicing this tool. For example, I put it on my own phone so that it would help me remember to use it. You might want to ask also friends or family members to remind you to use the tool. You could build a small travel kit with items to use for this tool. When choosing items to use for this travel kit, try to choose items that would bring you peace. For example, I love the smell of jasmine. Therefore, I might take an essential oil of a jasmine smell to help me calm down. I hope you like this video. This is Jadivan and Clarity with Jadivan. Please like, share, and subscribe.